Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto City once again. So another analysis, another day, and let's see what structure and what coin we are presenting you. This is Storj, and we are looking at continuously falling structure, and this resistance is acting strong and making us believe things are going. The resistance at the market, the price section is not able to currently not able to flip it, and still making a big red candle with rejecting from a certain level. All right, so we are looking at it, and we are we'll do the further analysis of it. First of all, let's look at the important levels mentioned here, and do not ignore them. Just look at this one, just look at this green zone and this level. So zones and levels are important, and we are definitely looking into it. So this is going to play an important role. So this week, a big week happened, and it has been, the week has been retraced, and after that, the market took support at this zone, and continuously going above from here. So this looks like a good rebound structure from here, but it is continuously failing a resistance. And just look at the amount of wicks happened on the top of the bodies, and look at this resistance and the trend line resistance as well. So and this level resistance. So this is happening, and we are looking at it. So for us, like it has been rejecting right now. The pink zone is the first important zone which we are looking at it, that it can take some good point here, and we will try to look at different things, and we'll make sure if it is a good entry, we'll do that, and if it holds good and properly. If it fails here, then it can grab some liquidity below this, but again try to flip this resistance, and this could be a good point, by the way. But if it doesn't hold, and it fails to this yellow orange zone, then definitely we will look at it, that it could actually, this will be very important to hold. Otherwise, we will see that it is going to fill 100% of this wick, and then grabbing a liquidity below to this level, and from here then it can start reversing or recovering. This could be a really good point for entry. We are waiting for a good point, good entry, and we'll update you as well in our Discord. Stay tuned and stay connected.